Happy Sunday. Running errands right now. Hope you guys are doing well. A little Widebody fender promotion. My buddy makes these and he's selling them for the introductory price of $500. You could live anywhere in the Los Angeles to San Diego area and he will hand deliver these to you for $500. Monster wheel gap. What's the last sick add-on you got for your van? I'm about to paint the bumper black, the chrome part, and the rear also. I'm just gonna black them out. And then I got a new high lift jack. I'll show that to you guys in a second. But yeah, since I got black wide body fenders, I just figured let me just paint this black now. Just make the whole front end black. It looks a lot like my old van now. When you look at it from the front, it looks like my old van build now. Here's my latest sick add-ons. Recovery shackle for a tow hitch. Brooke got me this for Christmas. She also got me this, a front receiver. So now I could put this shackle on the front tow hitch when it's installed, or my rear one. And then I bought a bigger high lift jack. So if my van gets stuck, I could lift it higher than the old one. Here's my old one. I've had this for more than 10 years now. And then the new one, slightly taller to lift my van a little higher. Who's getting lifted this year? I didn't want to park next to him. He might be sleeping. Here's one of my buddies who wants to get a lift kit this year, 5-inch lift kit. Right now he's running on a 2-inch lift kit on 265 tires. Nice van, nice color scheme. The 3 two-wheel drive lift kit companies for Econolines are in California. It looks like Camberg is phasing theirs out. So there's their lift kit right there, $34.85 to $4,100, $2,000 for the install. No idea how much it costs to ship outside of California. The 2 main companies right now are Action Van Suspension and Weldtech. Chris contacted both companies. So Action Van's going to cost $27.45 to ship to Florida, and Weldtech's going to cost $46.48 to ship to Florida. $1,900 difference. If you're in California or you want to drive to California and get your kit installed from one of these 2 companies, Action Van's $3,500 installed and Weldtech is $5,200 installed. So there's one of my buddies right there who wants to get a lift this year. Van looks awesome now. It's going to look even better on a 5-inch lift. Front's done. Working on the back.